Okay. To install Office 2021, first open Google Chrome and search for Office Customization Tool, which will be the first link. And in here, you have to make a few changes. Like here, you have to select Office LTSE Professional plus 2021 volume license. Then go down, click on the next button, select the language, which will be your preferred language. Here I'm selecting English United States. Then click on the next button. Next, then you have to turn off that particular toggle. Again, go down, click on the next button. Next, here you have reached the end of the page and click on that finish button. On the right, you can see that export button. Click on it. Then select the second option. Click on OK, accept the agreement and export. Now open a new tab and search for Office Deployment Tool, which again will be the first. You have to select the first link. And here click on download. Now open the folder in which you have downloaded both the files. Here you have to create a new file, and careful, you have to name the file Office 2021 with a capital letter O. Now get both the two files and paste it inside the new folder. Now right click on the Office Deployment Tool, select Run as Administrator, click on OK, then accept the agreement, click on the Continue button. Here you have to select the folder which we have created right now, that is Office 2021 folder, which will be in the Downloads section. Select it and click on OK. Now you can see all those files have been extracted. Next, you have to select the folder, cut it, and paste it inside local disk C. Okay. You can close all the windows, and in the search bar, type in CMD, which is the command prompt, and right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now here in the description, I have given the first command. Copy it and paste the command and click enter. Again, go to the description, copy the second command, paste it and click enter. Here you can see the downloading has started. You have to wait for a few minutes. After the download has been completed, you will be receiving this message. Again, close all the tabs, and in the search bar, you can search for PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Everything is installed. In some cases, you will be receiving this message which says it is not activated. So in a few steps, you can fix this issue. So that again, close all the windows. In the search bar, type in CMD. Again, run as administrator. Now, open my computer, local disk C, and program files, Microsoft Office. Here you have to copy that directory. Just right click on it and click on copy and paste it right here. But before that, you have to type in CD space and then copy it. Click on enter, and in the description, you have to copy down the third link, third command that I have given in the description. Copy it and paste it in that. Click enter. Again, click enter. Here you can see the license is getting activated. Again, click enter. Now, go to the description and copy down the fourth command that I've given and paste it. And again, click enter. Now, as you can see, just close the window and open a new one. Go to the accounts. Here you can see the product has been activated. Here you can see that I can open a new tab, new window. I can save the file. Everything was normal. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, if you like it, if you think it's helpful, please leave a like. Also, subscribe for more. Thank you.